preparation, so I want to tell you that we are fully prepared for counting on 4th June. Counting will be taking place at both the district level. Our DOs are ready with their team. Training has been done. However, the new AROs also are going to be under train. One training has been already finished and another training is going on. So that North Goa accounting center is at Government Polytechnic College Altino, whereas in South Goa it is at Sri Damodar College of Commerce and Economics. Earlier elections also the same places were the counting centers. In counting centers we have different counting halls for our assembly constituency. So simultaneously we will start our counting process. If everything goes right as per our preparation and as per our guidelines, we will definitely try to come up with the results in the afternoon.